It's me, Aching, and today I will be unboxing my new puppet, and I want you guys to join me too. But before that, can you please do something real quick? It will be like very great if you did it for me. So I want you guys to like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that you guys can see my video whenever you want. And guys, can you please do that for me, please? And now let's get into the video. Guys, if you didn't know, I bought a new fidget toy slash puppet, so we'll be unboxing it together. Peace! So yeah guys, I bought it from Amazon, but before that, let's sanitize it. Guys, I'm literally so excited. Shout out to my mom, she bought it for me as a gift. So yeah, I'm so excited! Literally, you guys don't know how excited I am. But anyways, let's open this bad boy. Shout out to my mommy. Oh my gosh. I am freaking excited. Let's open this bad boy. My new puppet. Guys, by the way, this is my first puppet. Oh my gosh, the colors. It's pink, orange, yellow, green. Oh. Green, blue, and violet. I love it! Once again, thank you, mommy. I love you, mommy. Guys, I'm so excited. Let's hair crunch from my puppet. It's so nice. Obsessed with it, guys. And guys, like in this puppet, there are like alphabets and like numbers. If you guys can see it, it's there. It's not really visible in the camera, but then it is in real life. I mean, yeah. Guys, see me pop this puppet. Guys, I am obsessed with it. Thank you guys for Thank you guys for joining me with unboxing my fidget toy slash puppet. So yeah, I really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm sorry about that, but thank you guys for joining me while I unboxed my fidget toy slash puppet. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Bye, love you all. I'm obsessed with it, guys.